everybody. Just want to give you guys a little sneak peek of the next project, the LowBoy trailer for the project I got going on. This is the deck right here, all the tires, got a whole 36 of them, all made out of TPU on a Ilgu Neptune 10 or Neptune X. All the other PLA is made out of an Inland Tough PLA. Got all the outriggers, the airbags. I got the wood planks for the decking. The wheel rims that are just made out of just a regular PLA, just had lying around. The axles I chose to 3D print up. I got an STL online. I'll leave a link in the description below. Instead of having to pay for them, it's going to cost save myself a few pennies there. Yeah, this project is coming right along. Alright, now we're going to move on to the outriggers here. Got the suspension plates here. Moving on to the gooseneck here. These prints came out really nice. All the prints was printed on a Tron XY IDEX printer. Moving on to the stinger. Still have some scaffolding to remove, but turned out really nice. Only had a couple failed prints, but they were my own problem or my own fault. Moving on to the Jeep. Got the fifth wheel plate there. The suspension arms. Yes, this trailer is right now over 3.5 feet long. Got all the axles for the 3D printed axles. All the rods for the 3D printed axles. Bearings. Got the linear actuators with just a little 2-channel electronic speed controller. Oh yeah, this thing's coming out really nice. This here, the 3 actuators was about the most that it costs. Got the springs for the airbags, some extra springs for everything else. The bearings, yeah, this thing is working out really nice. I really did enjoy watching the progression of the 3D printers printing all this up. Like I said, only had a few fail print, but this here is going to ultimately go to my truck. So this is going to be where it's going to final destination is on the back of this. And then my wheel loader is going to go on the back of that. So, well, alright everybody. Well, if you like this little video, please stay tuned for the building of this. I'll be posting a video here shortly about it. So, please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. So, please stay tuned for the building of the LowBoy trailer.